Okay, so this video is on calculating the average speed or the average velocity when you're given a VT graph. Okay, so sometimes this is what they'll do. They'll give you a VT graph that might look like something like this, and you'll have to calculate the average velocity and draw the average velocity on the graph. Okay, so in order to do that, the easiest way for us to do it is to first of all calculate the displacement, because we all know, hopefully, average velocity or average speed is going to be the distance traveled divided by the time taken. So the most important thing here is to make sure that you first of all calculate the distance traveled. So we did that in the previous video where we worked out the displacement or the distance traveled by the car or the object. So now that we have the distance traveled, which is 40 meters, then I can very easily work out the average speed. So that would be total distance traveled, which is 40 meters, which we calculated again from the previous question, divided by the time taken. Well, in total, it took 10 seconds. So then the average speed would be 4 meters per second. So what I'd like to do now is just show you how that would look on a graph. And I'm just going to erase some of this stuff that's already here. Okay. So this is the original line that we had, the original graph, where we had that constant acceleration, constant positive acceleration. What we need to do now is put in a new line at the 4 meter per second mark. Apologies. So I need to be at 4 meters per second. And again, apologies, my graph is not completely lined up, but you can see that I'm at the 4 meters per second mark. It's completely horizontal, and it's as though the object was doing that constant speed for the entire time. Now, if you look at it from a graphical point of view, what you'll actually notice is that if you were to take this little piece of distance that we calculated earlier in the previous question, and you would chop that bit off, and you'd be able to dump it in here, that bit you could literally chuck in there and it'd fill in the gaps for you. Okay. So again, that's it. That's just calculating. That would be the average speed. That line, that horizontal purple line that I've drawn there. Okay.